Hello everyone, welcome to our iTech Analytics Solutions channel. This is complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. So this is the 12th video of this series, and in this video you will be learning about Simple DAX Functions len. Let's go to Power BI window and we'll see how this len DAX function will work. First of all, let's understand what this len function will do. Len function will give me the number of characters in the selected column or in the given text. So let's see, for example, we'll take the product ID column and we'll see how many characters are there in each row. I'll use this new column. I'll click on new column and we'll mention product ID count equals len of. You can read the description returns the number of characters in a text string. Let me just mention product ID, close the bracket, say enter. You can see that we'll get the number of characters in product ID. Let's take another example. I'll click on new column and then we'll try to take the number of characters in customer name. Say customer name count, len of customer name, close bracket, enter. You can see that in each customer name, the number of characters will be mentioned here. So likewise, if you want to actually get the number of characters in a cell or say in a name or anything, any text string, so you can use this len. Right. The next topic will again see the simple DAX function, that is find. So if you are looking for a better career in data analytics, please contact us with the number given on screen. Also, you can mail us to get more information about the data analytics. You can also visit our website www.itsinc.in and get more information about the courses what we actually do. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please do follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. The links have been given in the description below. Please do visit those links and then do follow us. I hope this video is useful for you. If you think it is useful, please like the video and also please do share this with many other people where it will be useful for them as well. If you have any suggestions, please do comment in our comment box. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.